How to make a cash deposit on Monzo. If you'd like to pay cash into your Monzo account, you can deposit cash at any of 28,000 waypoint locations across the United Kingdom. To deposit cash, follow these steps. Find a shop displaying the PayPoint logo. Tell the shopkeeper you'd like to add money to your card and how much. Hand over your card and the cash. The shopkeeper will swipe your card and return it to you with a receipt. We pass on a £1 fee for making the deposit to help us cover the costs of the service. For example, if you deposit £10, then we'll add £9 to your account. If you deposit £100, we will add £99. By signing up to a premium account, you will receive 5 free deposits a month. Follow this link to find out more. You can deposit between £5 to £300 in one go, and you can pay in a maximum of £1,000 every 180 rolling days. If you are 17 years old, that limit's lower, so you can only deposit a maximum of £500 every 180 rolling days. Deposits take around 10 minutes to appear in your account.